Picture this. It's November 5, 2024, and Donald Trump has just been re-elected as US President. Now, what happens next with the Ukraine crisis? Let's unpack. To start, a quick rewind of Trump's first term in office. His approach to foreign policy was often seen as quite unconventional and unpredictable. He had a special focus on America first, which led to a more isolationist stance on numerous fronts. During Trump's time in office, he was all about pulling out of deals left and right, like the Iran nuclear deal and the INF treaty. And instead of playing the multilateral game, he preferred to have one-on-one talks and bilateral agreements. His approach to Ukraine was no different. His handling of Ukraine crisis was met with criticism, with accusations of a soft stance towards Russia. Now, if Trump is re-elected, he would likely continue his America First policy, but the situation in Ukraine might force him to take a more active and assertive stance towards Russia. This could involve increased sanctions or even military support for Ukraine. That's one possibility. But we also need to remember that Trump has always been a deal maker. He might try to negotiate a settlement between Russia and Ukraine, perhaps offering concessions to both sides. But such a deal would be fraught with difficulties. It would require careful diplomacy and a willingness to compromise, which has not always been Trump's strong suit. On the other hand, if Trump continues to seek better relations with Russia, he might be willing to make concessions that other leaders would not. And let's not forget about the global players. The EU and NATO, for example, have a significant interest in Ukraine crisis and would likely have strong opinions on any US strategy. The EU has been a strong supporter of Ukraine and has condemned Russia's actions. If Trump was to make concessions to Russia, it could strain US-EU relations and could also put cracks in NATO. And then there's China, which is becoming increasingly assertive on the global stage. China could see Ukraine crisis as an opportunity to increase its influence in Eastern Europe. So, in essence, the re-election of Donald Trump could set the stage for a pivotal chapter in Ukraine crisis. But with competing interests of many players, the road to peace in Ukraine would demand astute diplomacy and strategic foresight.